All right, so the start here sign goes right beside this telephone pole, which is about 100 yards east of the sanctuary. The right arrow sign, or one of the right arrow signs, goes right here at this corner, pointing to the right up the hill. The sign that says "Own this hill" goes somewhere early on this brief hill in this grassy area between the street and the sidewalk. Another right turn arrow goes right here at this corner. Course turns right here. Goes down the hill. Down the hill. So somewhere around here, like somewhere probably on the other side of that bridge, right in this area, would be good to have someone, maybe even on this side, because the runners will be in the street and some maybe on the sidewalk. So maybe the person calling out right here, just saying 1 mile to the right and 5K straight. 1 mile to the right and 5K straight. And they just need to be continually shouting that as groups of people come by. The sign that says 1 mile 5K split, probably right here, and as soon as this grassy area starts, would be a perfect place for that. All right. And then the motorcycle, I'm pretty sure it's going to be the motorcycle, is going to be here sitting and waiting for that first mile runner. Actually, going to be down that road a little bit. So as soon as they see the first mile runner turn, the motorcycle needs to start moving toward the church along that course. The golf cart would just continue straight. So we continue on this way. All these streets back here, having a course monitor, just an adult. The cop would be down this way further. Probably the first time a cop would be needed is on 9th Avenue. The 1 mile marker is somewhere in this area. I think it's right near the 9th Avenue marker, but I'm going to go more specifically mark those and I'll send you pictures where that is. But I'm pretty sure it's right about at 9th Avenue, which is coming up soon. Oh, wrong side of the street. So here's 9th Avenue. I'm pretty sure the 1 mile marker would be somewhere in here, and then a cop would probably be at this intersection. Probably that sign that says "You're amazing." If you could find a spot that's not in somebody's yard because they'll take it out, but probably back at like near a stop sign or something like that, but where it's clearly visible that just says "You're amazing," so the runners can be encouraged around this spot. Coming down here. Obviously, at the roundabout, at least one cop, maybe two. Probably one for this side and one for over here. I would imagine that's what they're going to do. It just keeps turning, curving around. Again, just course monitors on these smaller intersections. Right up here is the 2 mile marker. It's right before this canal. So if you put the 2 mile marker somewhere in here, I think that would be perfect. The water stop is going to be in that little area. So that's where they'll be. We're coming up here to Camino, at Camino right in here. If you just put a right turn arrow sign so that they know to turn right, that would also be a good place for somebody to just make sure people are knowing which way to go to turn right. I mean, I assume they'll just follow the people in front of them, but you just never know. Oops, sorry about that. Wish we had these kind of cones. So just continuing down Camino. All right, officer here at I believe that's 12th. Is very important because that's probably the busiest intersection there is. And then continue on. One of the signs says almost there. So again, if you can find a spot like that's not in somebody's yard where they're going to come out and move it, where it's clearly visible, that would be awesome. And then coming on down. There's 9th. They're getting close. All right, as we get here, if you could write at this light pole somewhere in here, like on our property, maybe on this corner, there's a sign that says "Finish Strong." So actually, maybe right in front of this, so that doesn't block the sign. As the runners are coming, they're going to see that sign right there that says "Finish Strong," and then they come on down and finish right there. Awesome.